How do you know something is working if you don't measure it? Hey, I'm Sarah Clay, and in this video, I'm going to show you how, why, and which measurements you need on LinkedIn. And if you watch to the end, you can get my handy little chart to help you measure your metrics really simply. First of all, let's look at which metrics LinkedIn enable you to look at quite simply. They don't give you many options, so it is really quite an easy task to do. Okay, so the first measurement I want to look at is search appearances. So this is literally how many times you've appeared in a search on LinkedIn during the past week. So it's not a search for your name, that's something else. This is a search for your goods or your services. So people are searching for the keywords that are associated with your goods or your services. So if you're a photographer, somebody types in the word photographer in the search option in LinkedIn, and hopefully you'll come up in that search. There are lots of ways that I can help you come up in those searches, but this video isn't about that. This video is about the how-to. So the number underneath your search appearances will go up and down depending how many people have found you on LinkedIn by using those keywords, but the general idea is you want the trajectory to go up. The next metric that LinkedIn encourage you to look at is your post views. This is literally how many times the last post that you posted has been viewed. Now it might say post views, it might say article views, it might say video views, depending whether it was a post, an article, or a video that you last posted. Now, a view doesn't necessarily mean that somebody has stopped and read or watched. What it means is it's kind of scrolled past in your feed. So it's an important measurement, but not one that you need to take too seriously. And also it will vary an awful lot depending the time that you look at that figure. So let's say you just posted something and then you're looking at the figure of how many post views. It might be 1. If you've posted it, earlier on in the day or a few days ago, the figure is likely to be greater. The third metric that LinkedIn like you to look at is your profile views. This is arguably the most important measurement that you have on your LinkedIn profile. Some say it's even more important than followers. So, what are profile views? This is literally how many people have gone to look at your profile. And this measurement is measured over the previous 90 days. So why is this measurement so important? It's really important because if someone goes to your profile, that's an active thing that they've done. They've had to make an effort to go there. So they really want to find out more about you. So it's really important that that figure is going up and up and up all the time. Your profile is your shop window. So it's really important that when people get there, they've got something nice to look at and there's lots of information about you and lots of appealing stuff that's going to keep them looking at your profile, finding out more about you. You can encourage people to go to your profile by sharing your profile URL with your, colleagues, friends, networking group, whatever, and also by posting really good quality content and also by commenting on other people's posts. Sounds simple, doesn't it? No, not really. If you need any help with any of this lot, please come over to LinkedIn, or if you're here already, DM me and say, Sarah, please, I need your help. Let's chat and see how I can help you sort out all of these metrics, sort out your profile. Okay. Next up, I'm going to show you where these stats sit on your LinkedIn profile. Let's go and have a look at mine. So welcome to my profile in all its glory. Here it is. Now I have got creator mode turned on, so my profile may look slightly different from yours. Don't worry about what creator mode is. I have got a blog about that. You can have a look on my website, but don't worry about that for now. What this is about is measuring. So, as I say, mine may look slightly different from yours, but what we all have is a dashboard. Nobody can see your dashboard apart from you. Okay, so don't panic, don't worry about it. So there are my search appearances. So I came up in 556 searches this last week. Okay, Now my post views very low for me because I've literally just posted something. So that by tomorrow will be much higher. And I've come up in 1274 profile views. So 1,274 people have viewed my profile in the last 90 days. Okay, so that's it. Those are the metrics that you need. The other measurement you may also want to keep an eye on are your follower numbers. Okay, so I'm not going to go into following and connecting in this video, but that's my follower numbers, 6889. Okay, and that's it. That is it. They're the main measurements that you need to keep an eye on LinkedIn. So I advise you to keep a really close eye on those three main measurements and also your follower numbers, because by doing that, you're going to know what's working and what isn't working. So if, for example, your profile views suddenly one day, they're really, really high, you're going to think, oh, hang on, what have I done to make that happen? I'd better do that again tomorrow. Or likewise, if your search appearances suddenly start going down, you think maybe I need to think about rewriting my profile. So all of these different things are really important to keep a gentle eye on every single day. Yes, every day. There's only 3 numbers there, 4 if you count followers. It's really easy just to go and have a look at them every single day and make a record of them so you can just see whether they're going up, down, or staying the same. Now, I did say I've got a little chart for you. Honestly, this is the simplest chart you will ever see about LinkedIn measurements. I've just created this really, really simple chart that I keep by my kettle, and every morning I have it on my wall, and I just go to my phone and I write those metrics into my chart, and it really keeps me on track, keeps me on top of where I'm going on my LinkedIn journey. So if you'd like my really simple measurement chart, please, there's a link below. Click on that link and then I will get it over to you as quickly as I jolly well can. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please follow me on LinkedIn if you're not doing already, and follow my hashtag, which is LinkedIn Simplified. I look forward to connecting with you on LinkedIn and finding more about you, your business, and how you're using LinkedIn to make your business even bigger. See you later.